Okay, hi. We learn together on the tutorial on how to translate with Google Sheets. Okay. On this occasion, on this time, I have a tips here for you that is always using Google Sheets on your work or your job. That's uh, that's a feature here to translate with Google Sheets. For example, here I have a table containing Indonesian, English, Spanish, and Japan. Okay, so uh, the formula is by using Google Translate automatically, and we can translate for all of languages, for example, from Indonesia to English, or Indonesian to Spanish, or English to Spanish, Indonesian to Japan, or any other languages to Japan. And here I have a file here to translate some sentences. And for example, for this first words, the first of sentences, that's about hello, only hello, and from the little words until the longer words. Okay, from this table. Okay, so let start how to translate with Google Sheets automatically in this Google Sheet. Okay, how to change the Indonesians and then into English here. Just using this formula, you can see on your screen. Equal to sign, Google Translate, open brackets, and select the word that you want to translate into this English language from any other words or any other languages. And on this on these occasions, we would like together to translate this A to cells. This is hello and comma, and we need to type this search of languages. Okay, so from where the searches that you want to translate it. Okay, so from H2 is IT. Okay, so you need to know about the code, language code from each regions or uh from each countries by using on this addresses. So you can see here, cloud google.com translate cloud docs and languages. From H2, from Indonesian, and then comma, and then AN. AN it means English. Okay, hello from Indonesian is going to English from hello. Okay, okay, Google Translate A2 and then ID and then EN. Okay, just drag down to copy the formula without typing one by one, and it's loading and up. Yeah, you can see here how to translate from Indonesian and into English automatically using Google Translate. Yes. Apa kabar from Indonesia will become how are you? Nama saya Leon. My name is Leon. I like to read in my free time. However, this sometimes makes me sleepy early, so I try to read when I just woke up and before starting my activities. Okay. So if you have some files from Microsoft Excel, you just upload it, and then we give the formula of Google Translate, and then input on this Google Sheets, and automatically Google will translate it. Okay, so note you should not do the typo, okay, to translate it perfectly and correctly, because Google Translate needs perfect words from any other language, from Indonesian or English. Okay, so from the second language, we will translate from Indonesian into the Spanish. Is the Google Translate equal to sign, and then Google Translate open the bracket, and A2 and ID with quotation mark and then comma, ES means from Espanol, okay, Spanish. Okay, so hello from Indonesia becomes hola in Spanish, and then just tracking down, okay, to translate the languages from Indonesian until Spanish. Okay, that's the results of translating from Indonesian into Spanish. Okay, so how are you? ¿Cómo estás? My name is Leon. Mi nombre es Leon. I like to read in my free time. Me gusta leer en mi tiempo libre. Sorry, I cannot speak Spanish correctly. Okay, so that's how to translate the languages with Google Translate into the Spanish. Okay, so continue the third language here that we will together. We want to translate together. It's Google Translate, and then from Indonesian, from ID, and then Japan, this is This is Japan language code. You can check it on the language code on Japan, and enter vowels. That's kanji letters. I do not know about it. Okay, wow, it's very cool, really very cool. If you want to translate from the nation or from your languages into the other languages, you can translate just using the formula. So Google will automatically translate your words into the language that you want to translate. Okay, that's Japan letters. I do not know about how to read the Japan letters, but this I think it's really cool to know about these features. Okay, so if you want to translate from English to Spanish or Spanish to Japan, from the Indonesian to all the other languages, just translate it using Google Translate, and with in the Google Sheets workspace, and you can also translate any other languages from any other languages, and so period the language code. Okay, it's a list of language code here, the standard of language code. So you can see here on this. Okay, cloud.google.com and /translate/docs and /languages. Just copy the link and then go to the site or the address here, and you can see the supported language is the code from any other language, from all languages of other countries in the world. That's how to tutorial. Hopefully this might be useful. Good luck for try, and with Google Sheets. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.